So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make this logo zoom transition. So to start, I already have my prepared slide, and now let's work on the transition. So to start, go to Insert, Shapes, and add a regular rectangle. Then extend the sides to meet the edges of the slide. Now, once this is prepared, go to Shape Outline and choose No Outline. Then select Shape Fill and select Black. Now go ahead and paste your SVG logo. Now once you've placed your SVG in the right spot, go to Graphics Format and select Convert to Shape. Then select the background and then the logo. Then go to Shape Format, Merge Shapes, and then select Subtract. Now go to Insert, Text Box, and type in your text here. Now, once this is ready, go ahead and duplicate the slide. Move your text out of the slide, just like that. Then zoom all the way out, select the background, and scale it up so that the entire background is visible. You can, of course, feel free to move it so that this task will be easier. Now go back to the first slide and move the shape and the text temporarily off the slide. Now move everything on the slide off the slide. Now select the shape and the text again and bring it back onto the slide. Now go to Transitions, select both of these slides, and select Morph. Now let us see the final result. So if you did find this video helpful or useful, make sure to like and subscribe to stay updated with more video tutorials, tips, and tricks on our channel. Stay tuned.